Hey guys, my name is Katie and welcome back to AFI DIYs. Today's episode is just in time for summer. We'll be making after sun spray. This DIY only contains 3 ingredients and can be made in about 5 minutes, making it a great addition to your product line. So let's jump right in. As far as supplies go, all you would need is a mixing cup with a pour spout, a stirring utensil, and a spray bottle for packaging. To make 3 ounces of after sun spray, you'll need 79.4% or 1/4 cup of witch hazel, 19.9% or 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 0.7% or 10 drops of fragrance. For this product, I really wanted to smell tropical and beachy, so I chose Blue Hawaiian. Wow, it smells just like a summer day by the pool. Because this product will be sprayed on your skin, I checked the IFRA limits to be sure this fragrance is skin safe. Be sure to do the same when you choose your fragrance. Alright guys, let's get started. Mix witch hazel and aloe vera gel in your mixing cup with a pouring spout. It's okay if the aloe vera gel isn't completely dissolved at this step because it will be by the end. Next, pour this mixture into the spray bottle. Then add your fragrance. Lastly, shake the bottle well to ensure the aloe vera gel mixes thoroughly with the witch hazel. That's it! Like I said, this DIY is so simple. It reminds me of our super easy DIY bubble bath. Be sure to check that one out. We were able to make this product for about $1. You can sell it wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $7. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!